So welcome to my channel. Today I hope to discuss with you the topic is covalent bonds. So let's go. So if I give a small introduction about covalent bond, actually covalent bond is a chemical bond that involves sharing of electrons pair between atoms. In last time I explained ionic bonds. So if I remind it again, in ionic bonds mainly happen transfer electrons between atoms. But in this case, sharing of electrons pair between atoms. So if I tell again, covalent bond is a chemical bond that involves sharing of electrons pair between atoms. So if I ask any question like this, why atom need covalent bond? So this is the two reason actually. To complete outermost electron shell. It means to complete maximum electrons in outermost electron shell. Also become a stable position. So these two reasons are really important and you better remember it yourself. So next slide I include few of example related to covalent bond. So Cl2, N2, O2, F2 as well as H2O, CH4, these are the example of covalent bond. So today I am going to explain two example. This is the first one. So oxygen's atomic number is 8. We all know it. And this is the way of write oxygen's electronic configuration 2 and 6. And here another oxygen atom. When we consider oxygen atom, so oxygen needs 2 electrons to complete their outermost electron shell. It means to complete maximum electrons in outermost electron shell. So mainly what's going on? Both of oxygen atoms get together and share 2 electrons pair between atoms. Share 2 electrons pair between atoms. So here, if you can see this is picture, you can get better idea how it comes. So these two electrons pair share between two atoms. So actually that's why this between this oxygen atom has double bond. So it is the one of example. If I explain another example, we all know nitrogen's atomic number is 7 and this is the way of write nitrogen electronic configuration 2 and 5. So when we consider about nitrogen atom, actually nitrogen needs 3 electrons to complete their outermost electron shell for what become a stable position. So what's going on? Both of nitrogen atoms get together and share 3 electrons pair between atoms. So here, if you can see this picture, you can get better idea. These 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, share between two atoms. Actually, that's why between two nitrogen atom has triple bond. Between two nitrogen atom has triple bond. So it's really easy and I think you can get something in this video. So thank you very much. Watch this video.